Thanks for watching this video regarding the National Wealth Center lead scraper. This is a classified ad lead scraper. It is for PC only, not for a Mac. Sorry about that, Mac people. But once you get the lead scraper installed, make sure that you approve it if you have Norton or McAfee or any kind of antivirus software. So then it'll be installed. You go over here to the File section. You'll see a drop-down menu with a selection for Activate. Have that open up and copy and paste that code and send it over here to nationalwealthcenter@gmail.com, and the people over there Monday through Friday will send back the activation code, and you in turn would just slap it in the empty box over there. So once you have it open, ready to go, you can select between these websites up here: Backpage, eBay Classified, OLX, iNetGiant, and GYB, and these are classified ad sites. When you want to do an extraction and look for different leads, just remember that the extractor can only find things that are already on the internet. It's not going to find people that want to work from home if they haven't posted anything on the internet that they want to work from home, right? So it can't read minds. It has to have something that's already posted in these specific websites, and what you're doing is typing in special keywords that may be relevant for that person. Many times people will type in network marketing company names or anything like that to find out those. So now on this side, you'll be able to open these up and find out different sections of the relevant website that we're selecting up here, called Backpage. So if you go over here for jobs, you open that up and there's different types of jobs. So this mimics that website. You also have different countries, and if you open up the countries, you'll be able to see different cities in those countries. So if you go down here to the United States, obviously you can have lots of different cities to pick from. So if you just select the open box here, you'll get all of the relevant cities in that country. And let's just select on job, and I'm just going to do something very simple here. But I always keep these all selected, so this way it pulls everything. If you wanted to, you could just do phone number, email, but why not? If you're going to collect the whole thing, it's the same amount of time and effort. I usually do the normal search, but you can select any one of these as well too. And you can also change the date selection here. So if you want to select that I want to start on the 23rd and go to the 27th, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to type in here work, just a simple word, and then we just hit start. Now you notice that it's going to start asking you, where do you want to save the file? So we're just going to put over here work, and make sure you remember where you want to save it. It's going to save it as an Excel CSV file. So we save it, and once we do that, it's going to start processing, and it's going to start telling you over here what you're looking for, the phone numbers, the different things it's finding. As you see, it's kind of adding up pretty quickly. I would not let this run all day, all night. I would just pick and choose what you're going to be going after, pull some of these down and stop it, because websites have been known to block IP addresses if it's going out and doing this nonstop, day, night, all the time. Okay, so just pick out whatever you're looking for, a few hundred, few thousand, something like that, then stop it and then go and see what you have. So here you have matching listings, add listings, phone numbers, email addresses. Not too many email addresses quite so far, but you have phone numbers and what it's searching, and it's also looking through all here. So we went in and we're looking for the United States, but we're seeing Auburn. So it's looking for Auburn right now, and then it would go down to Birmingham and so on down the line. So as you can see, you don't want to necessarily go and check everything, because it's going to run for a long time to try to find these, and it's going to be way, way too big for you to go through all of these different leads here. So maybe if you select Auburn, Birmingham, and maybe 3 of them at one time and do a search for that, save it, and then wait a little bit, go through those leads, and then go and do some more, because you don't necessarily want to go through all of these. I mean, this would be a few hours at least. And again, take my opinion on it, my recommendation. Do not let it run overnight. Do not let it run and run and run and run and run, because you run the risk of having your IP address blocked by the specific site. So get what you need, and then you just click on stop. And sometimes it takes a little while for it to stop working, because it has all these what they call threads out there. But what you're doing is you're having the system stop. Now what you do at that point is you open up your file, and you'll have all the leads in there, and you just cherry pick the leads that would be relevant. Just because it's looking for work doesn't mean every lead on that list is something that you're going to want to look at or you're going to want to contact. So you go through there and you cherry pick the kind of leads that you want to find. Now if you want to go to other sites like eBay Classified or the other ones here, you'll see that these will change, because this again is mimicking these websites, and you just select what you want to go in, and it'll go into other places here. And generally what I do if I want to go and I want to start something else new, I'll close the whole software program and then restart it up again, and then I'll start a new scrape. I usually won't keep it open and just go from one to another. I'll just close it and then start up again and be all set. That's the classified ad lead scraper and how it works. Okay, so you just keep on clicking on these and you're fine, and you can open up the CSV file with Microsoft Excel or the any other program that would open up a CSV file, and like OpenOffice, which is free. Okay, thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. Have yourself a great day. Bye for now.